I wrote a song. Here you go. I cannot wait to walk you through that door, and in that moment it will be warm. I've waited so long, I can wait more, but it hurts a little, just a bit sore. I hope you kiss me like the time I left. You'll come back slowly, each and every breath. How do I settle and distract myself? I'm overthinking, back from my home. Welcome back, my beloved Terra. Feel alive again, resume that era. You'll be far away and it's a little scary, but the sting is nothing out of ordinary. I miss your voice, what a lovely sound. You've grown so much, take a spin around. You're with a heartthrob, what do you expect? Your big blue eyes simply got me wrecked. Aphrodite, I am simply stunned. Could now die happy, temple to the gun. Logic fleets me, so does clarity. Oh, I'm so lucky that you notice me. What if I dare and ask you please don't go, or take me back to cold and snow? Oh, I'm so sick with you, my stomach turns. This love is roses with the sharpest thorns. Welcome back, my beloved Terra. Feel alive again, resume that era. You'll be far away and it's a little scary, but the sting is nothing out of ordinary. I miss your voice, what a lovely sound. You've grown so much, take a spin around. You're with a heartthrob, what do you expect? Those big blue eyes simply got me wrecked. Oh man, I'm so excited.